we're at Computex 2026 and we're at the ASRock group at Nangan, and we got some interesting products, and here we go. Cody's going to show us some of these new coolers. Let's go.
Here we got the Taichi AQUA 360 LCD. So in this model, we bring the concept of open loop water cooling into the closed loop cooling.
Okay.
So you can see we have a dual mode top cover design. So
that's magnetically connected?
Yes, you can take it off and you can see the transparent water channel, which is looks very similar to like DIY cooling.
Yeah, it's almost like custom water cooling, but you can see all the insides of the actual CPU water block.
Yes. And we have this, a built-in flow indicator.
So a built-in flow indicator. Nice quality. This is like
it's
aluminium.
Yes.
Very nice. Okay, and of course this LCD.
Yes.
With all the system stats. It's USB-C there, of course.
Yes, and we provide this display stand. So if you want to place your LCD outside of the chassis, you can take it out and you can.
Too.
Yes.
Very nice.
We provide a Type C to C cable.
Yeah.
So you can use it outside your chassis, which is very convenient.
All right. So this kit comes with the stand. You can actually remove the LCD module and put it onto this stand right there. Very nice. And you just clamp it onto the water block.
Yes.
I want to notice it's quite thin, you know, because it's sometimes the all-in-one coolers can be a bit tall.
Yes.
But this one's very thin, and you
make it very compact.
That's right. You can actually just remove that and have this water block right there, and it looks pretty cool. Okay. Comes with 3 fans.
Yes, 3 fans.
And also.
And we have 2 expansion ports on the radiator, so you can expand your water loop to other PC components.
Right there. So you have, and that's G quarter thread, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So you can actually have your own custom water cooler. That's amazing.
It is like a hybrid of.
Yeah.
Open loop cooling with.
I've always wanted to say, okay, I like this, you know, the water block, the LCD pump of an all-in-one cooler, but I never really thought about how to put that into a custom cool system, right? With a custom loop.
Yes.
Now you can.
Yes.
Amazing. So this is the AQUA Taichi 360 LCD, and where's this coming out?
Q3.
Q3. That's great. You know what? I have one of these awards. I think it's going to be one. It's really close. It's going to be this one or the Hollow. But I'm going towards this one.
Oh, you like a white sim?
for the award. Yeah. All right. So
we still have something special about it. So it uses a dual pump architecture.
Okay.
So there are 2 cables, right? 2 pump cables.
Yeah.
So we provide this alert module. You can connect 2 pump cables on it, and when one of the pump fails, you will hear an alert voice. You can come over here.
Okay. Oh, it's magnetic too.
Yeah, we are using. Come over here.
Come around here.
So if one of the pump fails.
Oh, so the pump fails. Okay.
So can you hear about it?
Oh, yeah, there is a kind of like almost like a small alarm.
It's kind of like a reminder, like you should find figure something.
It's a high-pitched kind of like alarm, which you can then notice if one of the pump fails, at least you have some sort of warning. Because one of the biggest issues with all-in-one is the pump failure. So that's what you want to do, is make sure that the pump is working.
It will still working with one pump, but maybe you have to figure something out, or you can start preparing the
because it has dual pumps.
Yes. Like a redundant
So pump 1, pump 2. Okay, that's very good. That includes it with the package, right?
Yes.
And of course, you notice it is magnetic. You can put that onto any case, chassis. Okay, excellent.
So for the radiator, it has 38mm thick.
So 38mm thick radius right here. Very nice. Extra cooling there for your radiator.
Alright, so for the fan design, we use the LCP blades, which is similar to the Steel Legend fans.
Yeah, it's magnetic too, right?
Yes.
It's very strong.
So it's heated connection, so there's no cables outside.
No cables, you just plug that straight in there. Okay, so, but it is very nice and sturdy there. LCP.
Yes.
Liquid crystal polymer.
Yes.
So you guys would know. Very strong, very sturdy there.
Stable, durable.
Less vibration too.
Yes.
So very nice.
Yes.
But of course, you can replace your fans with your own RGB if you wanted to.
Sure.
Right? Okay, cool. So yeah, Taichi 360 coming out. Q3, Q4.
Yes. Yeah.
Excellent.